Okay, the appeal of origami is the challenge of folding something from a square sheet of paper without cutting, gluing, or tearing, or taping it. So once you tape something, it's not origami anymore. It's papercraft. So I did a video on why I think y'all are making your airplanes wrong. I don't understand why people fold the outside, the inside's on the outside, so it's folded inside out, and you fold it like that. So all this does is it creates a lot of uncompressed paper and a lot of drag, and it reduces the performance. So instead of folding it like that, I don't see why you wouldn't fold it this way. See, now you have a much smoother, more compressed, cleaner plane. It's going to improve performance quite a bit. And the unintended consequences of that is you can, so they have that on the inside, you can create locking mechanisms. Let me demonstrate. These two tabs here, just like the concrete, can be folded in. Like that. See, you only have two exposed lines and everything is really Loctite, so it's going to increase the airspeed and the glide ratio quite a bit just by simply folding the insides on the inside instead of the outside. So the same concept can be applied to many other planes. For example, this one. You all know what that is. So I think part of the reason why people do this is because, they just think, well, it's hanging out, so I'll just tape it up. Well, that's fine, but you're not, that's not origami. So don't get on national TV and talk about how you took origami as far as it could go and then turn around in the same breath and tape your airplane 12 times when you could have just done this simple step. So you fold it inside like that. Now you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 exposed lines. Everything's on the inside and it's compressed. There's no reason that you couldn't have thought of that. If you're supposed to be an expert, you would have been able to figure this out without taping something 12 times. So you can still use that same concept with this plane. And you know what this is too. So now, nice and locked tight. Now if you want to, you could fold these on the other side, but it kind of bends the wings up a little bit and causes a little bit too much lift. So like I said, so when you're designing an airplane, I suggest you try to fold all the creases on the inside instead of on the outside and just rely on tape to fix everything and then try to call yourself an origami master because you don't understand the art. That's it.